Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 27th of December afternoon analysis. Alright, we will speak about stock markets today on this video, and then we will just check what's happening and then what we can expect for the coming days after New Year. Alright, we will start with US 100, like a Nasdaq 100. And right now it's going up and up. It is testing high levels, the critical level, which is 16,420 level. And the reason is some speeches, some announcement. For example, MasterCard, they just announced that like a Christmas compared to last Christmas. The transaction is higher and 8.5% higher. So this is just making that, all right, the people are just buying stuff and it is just happening like that. So the companies will just publish better earnings at the end of fourth quarter. It's just assuming that one, but still critical thing is somehow it's not like in a pandemic and in a new variant, it's not sustainable. So as you can see here, almost, if we just start from 20th of December, just 1 week ago, it's almost 1,000 points without any correction. I'm not just calculating this one because it was only for 8 hours, and then the next couple of hours it just went ahead without any correction. 1,000 point is not sustainable move. We have seen this similar one in here. It has tested like in a few days this fast rise, then we have seen correction, and this is also happening so fast. All right, we will see in the coming hours. We may see a drop in this stock market. So as I said, the numbers, especially in China, the new case numbers, if you just check online, you will see that it's going up so fast. And just 1 week ago, they were reporting only 40 new cases, and right now 200 cases. All right, you will say, come on, it's just 200 cases. I will just tell you something and then you will just don't believe and you will surprise, but you will check by yourself. On 2020 March, when when US is having a lot of crisis, they were reporting only 140. So in a global really pandemic time, they were reporting like that. So some people don't believe that number, some people believe that one, but 200 cases and doubling from one previous day. The previous day was only like a 100, and doubling each day. It's just another outbreak. Even in China, in local newspaper, people are saying that in Xi'an region, by the way, right now it's highest numbers. It may be worse than Wuhan. They say like this in the local newspapers. We will see. Related to that one, we may see another fall in the market, and we may see that correction. So please just don't buy too early, because RSI is just indicates that it's already overbought. All right, we will see. All right, let's look at S&P. What's happening there?
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, we are on S&P chart, and then the same thing is happening on here as well. S&P is just trying its all the time high levels on here, and this is just coming with Christmas spending. People just betting on that, on something with Christmas spending. Definitely US companies will make a lot of money, and that will be published on earnings, and then these will be the base. They are just pricing this one, but as I said, it's too early to celebrate because we haven't seen those numbers yet. We are just a few days ahead of the closer of the quarter, but still on fourth quarter there has been a lot of problems, a lot of like a supply chain problems, and so we may see a slowdown on that one compared to third quarter. We will see, but this is just the pricing of that one. This is the real Christmas rally, but everybody knows that after Christmas rally we see correction, so just get ready for that one. When it starts, you can just sell and you can make money on that one. Let's look at German DAX market. What's happening there? All right, our last chart is German DAX index. As you can see here, German DAX as well, like just trying high levels, but not all the time highs. Its all-time highs is just 500 points away from this point. 16,300 levels has been seen in DAX index previously, and it's not getting close to that one because the things in Germany so complicated. The numbers are still high, and they cannot say in Europe it's over, because in Christmas time each year they are having problem with a new variant, with new cases. So people are just expecting to see the results, and don't get just tricked by the numbers of today cases, because today they are publishing on Sunday data, Sunday sick new cases data. And generally on Sunday, I don't know, like maybe like they are on off. That's why like a holiday, like a Sunday holiday or something like that. Each Monday in Europe and some other parts of the world, new cases are less compared to previous days. And on Tuesday we see really high numbers. So probably we will see high numbers tomorrow, because today on Monday we will just receive a lot of data, and then new case application to hospitals and testings, and then they will publish on Tuesday. We will see, but still too early to celebrate the slowdown in Omicron variant, because it's not stopping. In UK last week we have seen over 100,000, and Europe is just a small country with each state. Each country is just a state. So what happens in one state just affects the other. I see the European market like this. That's why people are not so easy like buying the stocks these days. And in US they just refresh their high records like S&P, but in DAX, yeah, there is a rise, but not like that. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news. As I said, we are not over the pandemic. These rise, all right, this is the Christmas rally. People just expecting like a high spending in personal spendings, and then as a return they will just expect really high numbers of earnings. That's quite understandable, but still there are problems related to Omicron. That's why please just trade cautiously. Have a nice day. Bye.